how to enable or disable Hey Google detection Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see second option is Connected Devices. Click on Connected Devices. Scroll down to and you will see Android Auto is here. Click on Android Auto. After click on Android Auto, scroll down and you will see digital assistant portion and Hey Google detection is here. If you want to enable or disable Hey Google detection, and if you want to enable Hey Google detection, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Hey Google detection is enabled. If you want to disable Hey Google detection, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Hey Google detection is disabled. You will enable or disable Hey Google detection from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Hey Google detection in Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.